Hey guys, today, well, my sound's stopped up, but I just got this into the mail last night. But I wouldn't recommend getting one of these because it falls apart really easily. And I'll be right back when I get it out of the box. Oh, here it is. And as you can see, it's the concave cube. And yeah, it has a piece missing, but that piece is right here. But I'm not going to put it in because this piece is loose. What's happens when I turn it to the right? Right. You can see the screws coming out. And then, boom. Does that. Which is the one flaw of it. It falls apart real easy. Yeah. I don't have a screwdriver to tighten that up. So, yeah. I'll be back when I get this back together. Okay, I'm back. I know I didn't get it completely together. It's because these pieces must go on last. Because all you have to do is turn it like that. And then it goes in that easily. So keep that in mind when you're trying to put it together. And, well, turns great. It does kind of cut corners. Wait, not that much. This much. It cuts that much, definitely. So I cut corners really nicely. 4. Oh, let's try some patterns. Okay, here's one of the patterns. Let's try another. This is another pattern. Now I'm gonna find another one. This is another pattern. Now, let's try the flower pattern. This is the flower pattern. Well, this has been an unboxing of the concave cube. Oh yeah, and let's take a look at the box. Oops. Thanks for watching.